Hey, you seem a bit down today. What's wrong?
Just struggling with a smelly mattress. It's really annoying.
That's rough. Have you tried using baking soda? It works wonders for odors.
Really? How do I use it?
Start by vacuuming the mattress. Then sprinkle baking soda over it, maybe add some lavender oil for extra freshness.
And then?
Rub it in gently, let it sit overnight, and vacuum it up again. Don't forget to air it out to dry.
Simple enough. How did you find out about this?
I stumbled upon this awesome cleaning hack online. It's really effective.
I'll try it out, thanks.
No problem. And if it doesn't clear up, think about getting a puffy mattress. They're really comfortable and easy to set up.
That sounds good. I could use a hassle-free option.
Definitely worth checking out. Hope that helps, and here's to better sleep.